Hey there! Want to know how ChatGPT can save you time and make your social media marketing way easier? Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or content creator, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Let's dive in and see how it works. Step 1. What's social media marketing anyway? Before we jump in, let's quickly talk about social media marketing. It's all about using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to get the word out about your brand. But let's face it, posting consistently can be tough. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Step 2. How ChatGPT can help you create content fast. You know how hard it is to come up with fresh ideas every day. Well, ChatGPT can make it easier. Here's how. Need a catchy caption? Just ask ChatGPT. For example, if you're promoting a winter jacket collection, you can say, "Give me 5 Instagram captions for a winter jacket sale, for women between 18 and 35. Boom, you've got a list to choose from. Out of post ideas? Tell ChatGPT what your business is about, and it will suggest a ton of post ideas. Hashtags? Just ask. Give me 10 hashtags for a fitness brand, and you're set. Step 3. ChatGPT use cases in real life. Here's how you can use ChatGPT every day. 1. Get content ideas. Ask for blog ideas, Instagram stories, or TikTok video topics for the next week. 2. Hashtags made easy. Want to go viral? Let ChatGPT give you trending hashtags in your niche. 3. Schedule posts in bulk. Type out a bunch of posts, and you can schedule them in advance. It's like having your own social media assistant, without the cost. Step 4. Tips for getting the best from ChatGPT. Want to use ChatGPT like a pro? Here are some tips. 1. Be specific. Instead of asking for a caption, say, "Give me 3 Instagram captions for a fitness brand focusing on summer workouts." 2. Polish your posts. ChatGPT can help you write the first draft, but don't forget to add your personal touch. Make it sound like you. Now that you know how ChatGPT can help you rock your social media game, it's time to try it out. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, how will you use ChatGPT for your social media? Catch you in the next video.